Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video, you'll learn to use pad, mirror, and datum plane. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here we will create this cylinder here, this one and this one. And here will be the midpoint. The first thing that we'll make, we will create these two circles with 12 millimeters of diameter and 14 millimeters of diameter. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 12 millimeters and create another circle here with 14 millimeters of diameter. And now we will create these two circles here with 33 and 35 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 100 millimeters. So make a circle here with 33 and another circle here with 35 millimeters, and go to constraint, select the dimension, select this point here. The distance here is 100 millimeters. Now leave the sketch. We need to extrude this. So the length is 54 millimeters. So go to pad and the mode, select symmetric and the length 54 millimeters and press OK. We made this one. Now we will create this part here. But first, we will create a plane at this face. The front plane is here in the center. So we will create an offset plane with 15 millimeters of distance. So go to Datum Plane and show the model here, show the origin. Select the front plane and go to task again. And the Z direction here is 15 millimeters and press OK. Now go to select this plane here and go to create a sketch. And here, go to external projection. I will hide this plane a little bit. Select this edge here and this edge here. And here we need to create an arc with 15 millimeters of radius. And here we have an arc with 27.5 millimeters of radius. And we have a line between these arcs. And this line is tangent with the both arcs, okay? So go to arc from center, click here in the midpoint. Make an arc here with 15 millimeters of radius. And create an arc here with 27.5 millimeters of radius. Let me hide the origin here. Now select a line, select this point here and select this point, make a line between these 2 points and make a line between these 2 points. And go to constraint, select tangent, select this line and this arc, this line and this arc here, this line and this arc, this line and this arc here. And select the circle, click here in this point, make a circle here with 14 millimeters of diameter and create a circle here with 35 millimeters of diameter and press OK. Now leave the sketch. The thickness here is 10 millimeters. So go to pad, the length here 10 millimeters and press OK. Now we need to create the same in the other side. So go to mirror and select here transform two shapes, add features, select this extrusion here. And the plane here is the XZ plane and press OK. And now to finish this exercise, we need to create the chamfer here. So the chamfer is 1 millimeters. So go to chamfer, select this, click here and select this edge here and this edge here. the type equal distance, the size 1 millimeters, and press OK. And here we finish your exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.